Hi, welcome back. So let's get started right away on how to create a Gmail account. A quick one, and to do that, first of all, you need to make sure you're connected to the internet. All right, and when you are connected to the internet, go ahead to your URL locator on your browser. Open up your browser. You just go ahead and make sure that's open. Then go ahead and type www.gmail.com. Then as soon as you have that opened, you're going to see this screen. It says sign in or continue to Gmail. But right now what we want to do is to create an account, and straight away go ahead and click on this create account link here, and it's going to pop up a drop down menu asking if you want to create for yourself or for your business. And so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be creating for my business. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Now I'm going to put my name, Chike Okoli, and then I'm going to say your tutorial official. And so I'm going to go ahead and put a password. Now if you look at this, you would see use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And so that's what we did here. If you count it, you'll notice that this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It's more than 8, and so it meets all the requirements. I'll just copy this and paste in the confirm password, and I'll go ahead and click on next. Okay, here we are. The next thing we need to do, Gmail, Google needs to verify. I want to make sure that this is really you, that this is not a robot. And so it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. You just go ahead and type your phone number 07063859559 and click on next. And straight away a code is going to be sent to your mail, to your phone. And your phone, you've got to make sure that your phone is your SIM card is in a phone and can receive SMS. And I already have mine, and so I'm just going to type in the code sent to my phone, 724208. It's usually a 6-digit code, and I'm just going ahead and sometimes you're going to be having challenges verifying sometimes you don't get the SMS, and sometimes it takes time. And there is it. I'm going to do another tutorial on how to register a Gmail account without a phone number. I'm going to do that for you, and you can comment, you can leave a comment below whatever you want me to do, whatever tutorial you want me to do for you. Just go ahead and leave it on the comment section, and I will review them and produce a new channel. So just go ahead and click on verify. Once that is done, another thing it will ask you is he said we will use this number for account security. It won't be visible for that's true. Now another thing you're going to ask you is, do you have another email that you want to use as a recovery email in case you forget your password or you forget information about this email? And so I'm just going to put my other email, Legend Chike. And so it's going to ask you for dates. I'm going to say January. Okay, so I'm going to say 2020, and so it's going to ask. I'm going to say custom, and so for your birthday you can put anything there. For your gender, I'm going to say custom, and so I'm going to say business. And so it's going to say. So it's asking you how you want to be referred. You want to be referred to as a male or female. I'm going to choose other. Alright, and I'm just going to go ahead. So just a quick review of this information. At this point, the account has been created. You notice that Google said, okay, welcome to Google. Alright, and the phone number is showing you. All this is just a basic information. I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, so listen, look at this. Are you sure you're entering the right birthday? Why? Because let me try this and say, let me say 17. Okay, you need to be up to 18 years. So I'm just going to put 90, and I think this should go now. Okay, that's it. Google needs to make sure you're up to 18 years old. And so that's it. And so you can skip or just go click on yes, I'm in, and you review the terms and condition. You're not going to see, you need to scroll down. Google wants to ensure that you read the terms and condition. Then the agree button is going to appear. Now you click on that. So once that is done, once this is completed, depending on the speed of your network, it's going to take a little while. But once this is completed, your account is fully created and you're going to log in and see a welcome message from Google. You know. Okay, that's it. So this is the normal onboarding screen. You can just use the default, and that's it on how to create a Gmail account. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and so that you can get, so that anytime, and turn on the notification so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to know. Thank you. My name is Chike.